All right, I'm ready.
This is 15, created by John Wynn and Justin Neal. For this project, we wanted to create a 15 sliding puzzle and use JavaScript to drive the logic of the game.
For the design, we wanted to create a UI for a 15 sliding puzzle. We also wanted to display the puzzle, have a shuffle option, a timer option, and a solve option. We want to display an image of our choice for the puzzle. We wanted a shuffle button that shuffles the puzzle, a solve button that shows the solved puzzle, and a win notification that appears when the puzzle has been solved.
For test cases, we had load page, solve puzzle, shuffle puzzle, and notify winner. For load page, we wanted for the user to enter and be able to see the puzzle. For solve puzzle, we wanted the user to be able to enter the page and be able to hit, after hitting shuffle, be able to move the tiles to try to solve. For shuffle puzzle, we wanted the player to be able to hit the shuffle and everything, every tile moves. And for notify winner, we wanted once the user finishes the puzzle, they are notified that they have won and the image shall appear.
All right, this is our shuffle function, and we start off by checking to see if the puzzle has already been shuffled, and if it hasn't, then we'll just iterate from 1 to 100 and randomly move around cells. And this is our shift cell function. So when a cell is clicked, we'll just check to see if the cell beside it or a cell beside it is empty. And if it is, we'll go ahead and move that cell into the empty spot. And then we'll check to see if the order is correct and the puzzle has been solved.
This is the check order function, and basically make sure the final image is what it's supposed to be, and it's in the correct order between 1 to 15. And once, if it is, it will hit the notification that you have won, and the image shall appear. For testing, we split work between us, and testing was carried out after each feature was implemented. For bugs and issues, we had an issue with the image split. So once we actually created tiles, we had a problem with actually splitting the image we chose into 15 pieces and latching it onto the tiles.
And we also had some issues with the shuffle. It would originally shuffle in a consistent manner, so we had to figure out how to get it to shuffle more randomly.
For solve puzzle, we had issue with actually creating the whole board and just having the tiles move.
And for the timer, we had issues where we would first load the page, it would show up a static time instead of counting down. And also, instead of when the timer would reach 0, refreshing the page, it would run into the negatives. All right, and let me go ahead and share my screen so we can get into a demo. Okay, I'm gonna load up the web page here. And this is our puzzle. You can see that the timer starts, everything is solved, and we click the scramble button and it randomly shuffles the page. And then we can click and move around. If we click one of these, it doesn't move. But if we click one close to the adjacent cell or the empty cell, it moves into its place. And also, we can click the solve button and it'll solve it for us. All right, that's been our project. Thanks for watching.